Onward on our honeymoon journey in France. This was actually the day that we went to Omaha Beach, where D-Day happened in World War II. There's still a lot of the bunkers there. It was heavy, very heavy. It was very quiet, and you could hear the ocean. And I actually grabbed a pebble from the beach to bring home just to kind of have a piece of history. And at the top of the hill, they have this cemetery where they have all of the Americans that died there. I think there's a mix of Americans and non-Americans, but I think this cemetery specifically is just Americans. And the cliffs were super beautiful. It's crazy to think that people were scaling these cliffs as there were people on top of them shooting at them. It's just insane. So here's James and I actually on the beach, and here's another one of the bunkers that existed. This was our hotel. It was crazy. It was so nice. The view, this was the view from our room. It just felt so France, if that makes any sense, but it was a Best Western. This building was cool. It actually once belonged to a nobleman, and then he couldn't take care of it, so then it became a distillery. It was just in this tiny little town, and this was the town. There was not a restaurant to be found, so we had a beer in the hotel lobby, and my husband farted and didn't tell me, and it smelled so bad, and he laughed until he cried. And that ended the next day of our French honeymoon.